Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create highlights without posting on Instagram. So you can't directly create a story highlights without first posting a story, but there is a simple workaround to make highlights without your followers seeing the story. So let's go into Instagram to just apply this stuff that I just talked about. So I just want to head over into your profile first, and then once you're on your profile, I want you to go into these three lines on the top right corner, tap on them, and after that I just want you to scroll down until you can see this option, hide story and live, and who can see your content section. Tap on it, and right here I just want you to go through hide story and live from, and once you're here I want you to hide the to check the followers, all of your followers. So after that tap on done once you're finished, and then I want you to go back and post a story. Tap on your profile and then go into your gallery or take a photo or etc. It depends on you, and select an image. For me, I just want to show you how to just set an example. And right here what I want you to do is to set up your story and then tap on this option. Okay, so it will be posted on your story, of course, but no one of your followers can see your story. After it's posted, I just want you to go into new on your profile, this plus button, tap on it, and right here I want you to select the story that you just posted. So it will be or it will appear to you right here. So let's just, for example, set an example with that one, and then you can just type the name of the highlights and then tap on done. Anyways guys, after you're finished I just want you to go back to your to this option, hide story and live, and check all the followers that you have checked them to hide the story from. Anyways, this is the video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.